We are in Oaxaca City, a place full of cultural history and tradition. It is one of the most important tourist destinations in Mexico, specifically the city center, where you will find a lacquer calle, Santo Domingo de Guzman.
This is the Temple of Santo Domingo de Guzman, one of the most beautiful places in Oaxaca. Here you can visit the museum and exhibitions, learn its history, and take amazing photos. It's also a very famous spot because many weddings are celebrated here.
Very close by, you will find the tourist walkway. Here you can walk, relax, and enjoy the atmosphere. Right now, people are listening to live music and spending quality time with their friends.
People are walking through the street and enjoying the city. Tourists are taking photos and exploring the area. The local vendors are selling delicious food and beautiful handcrafted souvenirs.
On the way, you can find my typical Oaxaca corned beef. You can typical local food like Tlayuda's traditional sobrex on the Ordex Onyx dish.
You can visit different galleries. You can visit Oaxaca.
The people in Oaxaca are kind and very friendly. They are wearing comfortable clothes and in some cases, traditional textiles. The weather is warm and sunny, so you can wear light clothing. Oaxaca is a place full of life. You can visit us at any time of the year.